Welcome back to the BFC, the most dangerous arena on earth, the human body.
And tonight, Mike, we got smoke in the building, literalmente.
The champ breathes 25,000 times a day and never misses a beat.
Well, tonight, mi gente, somebody brought a lighter to a lung fight. In the red corner, wrapped in paper, burning at 1,000 degrees, 7,000 chemicals of pure trouble, Nick the Chimney O-Team. And in the blue corner, your champion, 70 square meters of fight, 300 million air sacs, the lungs, the storm. Oh, Nick blows smoke right in the champ's face. The storm is fuming, and the referee has to dive in and keep these two apart.
Look at the tape. The champ, 6 liters of air, surface area the size of a tennis court, and a secret weapon, millions of tiny hairs called cilia that sweep dirt and smoke right back out 1,000 times a minute. The challenger, 1 puff, 7,000 chemicals, and a jab that hits the brain in 10 seconds flat. Round 1, and the champ is a machine. Watch the cilia, that's the broom. Smoke comes in, the escalator sweeps it right back out.
Nada pasa. The storm is breathing easy, Mike. Nick can't land nothing. It all gets swept right out the door.
But here's the trick, folks. Nick's not winning on power. That jab, the nicotine, it doesn't knock you out.
No. It just makes you come back. 10 seconds to the brain, hits the dopamine, and suddenly you want round after round after round.
And every round, the smoke does the real damage. Tar and carbon monoxide. It grabs your blood 200 times tighter than oxygen.
Te roba el aire, mi gente. The smoke steals the oxygen right out of the room.
Worse, the tar paralyzes the cilia. The broom stops sweeping. Now the junk just piles up.
And there's the cough. That's the champ trying to sweep my hand. Ya no puede solo.
Round 2, and now Nick smells blood. Puff, tar. The cilia are down. Nothing's getting swept now.
ASH in the eyes. The storm is filling up, Mike. Mucus, smog, every breath shorter than the last.
Irritation, bronchitis, and now the walls start to tear. One more step, and it's emphysema, and that, folks, does not come back.
Y se cae el campeón. The storm is down. Can't catch a breath. The ref dives in. 1, 2, 3,
But
4.
wait, somebody throws in the towel. The cigarette goes out.
Apagó el cigarro. And look, the cilia, they're growing back. The broom is moving again.
The escalator restarts. The smog clears. The champ is back on his feet, and he cleans house. Right hand, Nick is out.
Ganó the storm. Quit in time and the lungs fight back. Every single breath. But cross that emphysema line, Mike, there's no getting up.
For the Buddy Fighting Championship, I'm Mike Marrow.
And I'm Joe Cortex.
Next time on the BFC, Sugar steps into the ring with the pancreas. Good night.
And you want a front row seat to every fight? Hit subscribe, mi gente, and stay in your body's corner.